Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Sony headphones to your new iPhone. First, ensure your Sony headphones have sufficient power, ideally a full charge, for a smooth setup. Next, turn on your headphones and put them into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a specific button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Finally, grab your iPhone and open its settings application. Now, on your iPhone, navigate to the Bluetooth section within the settings menu. You will see a toggle switch. Make sure it is set to the on position. If it is already on, your iPhone will immediately start searching for available devices. This scanning process typically takes only a few seconds, displaying a list of nearby Bluetooth accessories ready for connection. Once your Sony headphones appear in the Other Devices list, tap on their name to initiate the pairing. Your iPhone might display a pairing request. Simply tap Pair to confirm. Some headphones may also require a confirmation on their end. After a moment, your iPhone will show Connected next to your headphones, and you might hear an audible confirmation tone. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Sony headphones and your iPhone often resolves most problems. Also, confirm that your headphones are not already connected to another device, as they typically only pair with one at a time. For optimal performance and a stable connection, keep your iPhone and headphones within a range of about 10 meters or 33 feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.